This road is really busy, mate. Well, I found a place. All I need to do is just to reverse. I should have reversed on the other side. So just reverse down this road. Was really hard to find it. Come on, man, I need to reverse. Move. I wanted to reverse down there, but it's a little bit angled, so it will take more time to take it. This mirror is actually make my day worse rather than make it. Literally for a plank of wood, man. For a plank of wood. You'll see what delivery I have here. You'll laugh. So on here, I'll just drive outside now. On the window, because it's so that's why I couldn't see the place, because it's very hard to see the name of the place. It's somewhere hidden, and that's why I was not able to see it. I'll show you. I've just walked towards here and I found it. Thank you. So it's basically a right turn on here, but the name was written on there. You see that white bit underneath, so that's why I couldn't. So now I need to take the turn. Come on, go, go. Because I will not be able to take the turn. So I just need to go like this. 1 second. Go like this. Okay, though, darling. Everyone, when they see me with this camera on the head, they looking very funny. It's like they never seen someone with a camera on top. So literally the name was written on that plate, so I was not able to see it because it was on the back of it. Yeah, so now to go to this place and deliver that stuff. Right. Thank you. Let's see where they want this plank. materials, please be careful, 5 miles an hour. Right, mate?
Stop.
Yeah?
I'll just get him to check it because there's a lot of scraps in it, and last one in the centre wouldn't take it.
See, is the right thing?
Oh, it's right.
Yeah, yeah.
These scraps last time he wouldn't take it,
Wow.
the customer. So before you unstrap your straps,
Yeah.
I'll let our manager check it.
Yeah, no problem. It seems like everything is like that, so yeah.
Well, it didn't my decision. So.
Yeah, no problem, mate.
Yeah, it's alright, is that? Yeah.
It's okay? Yeah,
It's alright.
I'll just unstrap that and... Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
There you go.
Can I have a signature, please? Is that okay? So if you want to double check, is only this plank, yeah?
Yeah.
Just your yeah, signature and to print your name. Thank you very much. Oh,
There you go.
yeah, just to hand you the copy.
There you go,
Thank you
mate.
very much.
Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
So was only that plank. Can you believe it? So now I'll just drive outside. I'll just connect my sat nav, put the next postcode, go to next address. So finish with the job on air. Now going to the next one, which is 11 miles away. Yeah. Okay. Shows me half an hour, but I'll see. On the next one, I'll take more load out. Yeah. As you see, the name. I'll just close the window because it's very noisy. The name was written here. How to see it from there? It's impossible. You know. So I just went. Okay, may go. You should have let me go, but go, you know. Murray Road. So is this turn on in? Walker and Timber Fencing Center. That's it. That's the place I'm looking for. Let's see how they want it. Like really narrow on here. Right, mate? I think I will need to drive my lorry back there, and then probably I will need some help to reverse it out, because it's quite narrow on here. So yeah, it seems like everyone needs to go out or needs to go in, but their yard is quite small. I mean, like, probably the inside they got a lot of space, but when it comes to outside in this, I don't really know where I'm supposed to put my lorry. I think I'm supposed to put it inside, because right, so I just have to yeah, I just have to park it on here, because it will just unload me from the streets. Just have to like that. Hop. So let's see what we do. Hop. 569. 569, the top one. 569. So this one, and I think that's it. So it's only two of them.
Ah, yes, two.
Let me check the other side as well. 1 second. 569, 569, 569, 869, 569. Yeah, mate. Sorry. So is that top one and this one? Yeah. You need me to back it up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Back it up a little bit, because honestly sometimes those guys, they didn't help you, they just okay, man. So let's do this. Where is the paper? You found it. Cheers. Climb on top of it. Okay. Put this afterwards. Hop. Five, 6, 9. Oops, sorry, mate. Yeah, passion. He's leaning in one side. Yeah. Perfect. Nice and easy. Just missed little bit of the top. Okay. Okay. Right, mate? All good? Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Have a lovely day, eh?
Okay, you too.
Just gonna do like this for a while. Then I'm gonna do the other ones. So now I just need to go out of here. Everything is fine, everything is fine. So I just need to reverse because it's one way. So the other side is blocked, so you cannot pass through. So that's why it's this fussing around. But it will be okay. Oh, I like this job, to be honest with you. I might ask for many more weeks. But it seems like all these places that I have to drop off the stuff, it seems like they are in really tight areas, you know. It seems like, for me it's something common, because I used to have this situation all the time in London when I used to be there, so it's nothing new to me, or nothing new for me, let's just say. I will just reverse out, because now I will not be able to put the postcode and look where I have to go and all that, because it's basically impossible at the minute. Find a way to go out. So if the road is like this, I need to reverse on the left side of it. So I need to use the horn.